What's up, Cozy Boy videos here. Today, I'm going to be doing some tips and tricks on how to survive the forest. Rule 1. Bring a weapon. The reason is that the campfire doesn't matter as much as protection does. Because if the campfire goes out, you need to protect yourself. And that's only protecting you from one monster, the campfire. So, you're going to need a good weapon. Chaos Axe is like a good balance between weapon and trees, but just for my demonstration I'm bringing a pinata bat because I like pinata bats. Rule 2. Bring a bag. If you're focusing on getting logs, it's way easier to just put them in a bag. Even though they are a bit heavy, you should always put them in a bag. Rule 3. Prioritize safety. If someone else dies when you're in there, it's only you that you should care about. Not because you don't like them, but just because there are a bunch of other monsters out there and it's not even a far walk. Anyways, we should use these to our advantage in the forest itself. Just as a little demonstration here, you see this bomb? So, we're doing flashbang. Oh yeah, I killed him. You see, you get some stuff in here, you should definitely keep these if you need them, but... CJ! CJ found me! CJ found me! Oh no! So, this is what we by prioritize safety! I don't know, CJ was already out. You get back, care about weapons. You get that bag, big bag, weapons. Anyways, I'm sad now. So CJ's gone. He died. He died. I saw him there, I was so scared. So right now I'm just focusing on getting some logs. If I could find where I died, that would be good because I'm looking at it. You know, I'm just gonna explode it. Okay, as you see, there's an angler. We're gonna ignore him so we can get the campfire up. CJ is really hard to deal with. I used to call him the Mind Flayer because he looked like the Mind Flayer, but then I realised that like CJ was carved into his chest, and I thought that was cool. So for a bit here, I really am just mining trees. I did find some better weapons later, but it does take a while with the pinata bats. So I'm just gonna do some voiceover. Also, the weapons you can get from armoring monsters. So, if you're having a chance at them. Anyways, just try to get that fire going with a hatchet. I think it's actually better with a hatchet, but yeah, I brought up a pinata bat. Oh yeah, I forgot that happens when you hit down on these for some reason. You like start flying. It's not really working right now. Yeah, see that? And it brings me to the top. Yeah, so there's a bit left of this video, so I might just speed this bit up. I'm really just mining the trees here. So I've already shown the tips and tricks. You get the bag, put the logs in them, fight the monsters for your safety, and always bring weapons. Well, I didn't have any logs, but that's okay. Really? Only one? See, it's dying, it's dying, it's dying. Alright, I just need to get the photo here. Bro, I just... Wait, you know what, I'll just get like 4 tips and tricks. Like right here. Is this good? Thank you for watching this tips and tricks video. See you in the next one.